guys, welcome to Edtech Simplified. It's been a minute. Oh my god, I missed you guys so much. A lot of things have been going on the back end, and hopefully in one of my videos I'll be sharing with you some of the things that have been happening with me. But before then, check this out. What do you think about the look? Okay, again, let's get serious. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing something I find super valuable to myself, and I've been getting a lot of questions in my DM about it. I, for one, like to create my lesson materials from scratch. Like, whenever I'm designing, I like to put my creativity to work. I like to learn, so I decide to create my stuff from scratch. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you how I create my Blackboard and my Whiteboard templates on Canva. Yeah, it's super easy. So we're gonna jump on my laptop and dive into it. You have an online classroom, but you wanted to have a feel of the traditional classroom, where we use the whiteboard and the Blackboard and all that. Yeah, that is what this video is for. And the first thing we want to do is to go on to presentation and create a blank presentation. When presentation loads up, we are ready to go. All right, this is a blank presentation, and to the left there are templates. We are not going to use templates. We choose to build from scratch. And the first thing we want to do is go on to elements, and then we roll. All right, click on elements, and then I search for square. I use square a lot. And the first element we would use is a square with border. What does that mean? This kind of square that has a border, or you could use the one that is only a border, because this square looks like it's just the border, right? But I'm gonna proceed to use this square with a border, and I would drag from the side, not from the edge today, from the side. I drag and I make sure it falls within the grid, the pink rectangle, and I go on to drag on the four sides, right, the last side, drag. Now we have this within the grid, centralized. The second element is a square. A square. It could be a rounded square or the normal edgy square. I prefer the normal square. I'm gonna choose that and repeat the same process. Just drag it out on the four sides. Drag it, drag it. All right. Now this looks nothing close to what we want, right? Yeah, I know. I'm gonna start with a Blackboard. I make this black, and then this inner layer, I make it white. Oh no, that's not the inner layer. The outer layer is supposed to be white, and this inner layer, I make it white. Now we have something that looks like a tab. We're not there yet, so what I'm gonna do is to group the old element. To group the element, I dragged over all, and above here, group. So after grouping, when I group, it makes me edit all the elements at once. So I drag it out here from the edge, okay? And yeah, this is looking more like it, except that it's too extended. So I'm just gonna, drag it in a bit. Yes, yes, all right. And then I would ungroup, because I want to drag this in on the side. Drag this in on the side, and then repeat the same process for the element within,
this goes. We're almost there. You want to make sure your board is not too extended on the side so it doesn't look like a tab. Awesome. This looks more like it. Below, I have to extend this a bit. Yep. Right. And then I'm gonna grip it once again. Extend it a bit. Yeah. And finally, I'm gonna make sure the elements are centralized. Like that. Yes. Now this is a blackboard. What about a whiteboard? Let us create the whiteboard. What do we do? I'm gonna proceed to duplicate the page just below here. Gonna click duplicate, or you go on to click Command D, and what I need to do is change the colors. Where I have the black elements, I'm gonna change that to white, and for the outer layer this goes on to be black, and the third layer goes on to be white. Then my background, I do not really like the old whitey thing. I'm gonna choose another light color, something like that. Something like that works, or you could turn it out a bit. Yeah, this is perfect. This is my whiteboard, and this is my blackboard. Now you're thinking, how do I write on this? What do I do? Let's go back to the blackboard. We are gonna insert a text box. But I do not like this text. It just doesn't fit. I'm gonna go for something that looks like a handwriting. Handwriting. And let's see, Beth Ellen. Okay. Well, that doesn't work for me. Yes, Celandine works perfectly. This is my heading. I would say Edtech Simplified. I'm just gonna expand that a bit and centralize it. Love it. I love this. Isn't this amazing? Yeah. You want to do the same for your whiteboard. I'm gonna copy this and paste here, then I'll change the font color to black. Edtech Simplified. Awesome. Isn't this cool? Yeah. So all you have to do now is keep on duplicating and inserting your text box, repeating the same process.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you for engaging. Thank you for subscribing if you haven't. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace. Oh, hold on. I have something else. Peace.